When it comes to kitchen appliances that offer convenience, portability, and versatility, this Proctor Silex electric double burner cooktop model 34116 stands out as an excellent choice. Whether you're dealing with a small kitchen, hosting a large gathering, or simply need an extra burner during busy meal times, this double burner cooktop is designed to meet your needs efficiently. Let's dive into the features and benefits of this compact yet powerful cooking device. This double burner cooktop is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of settings. Small apartments or dorm rooms, perfect for spaces with limited kitchen facilities. RV and camping, great for outdoor cooking and on-the-go meals. Holiday cooking, provides extra burner space for preparing large meals. Home renovations, a reliable backup when your main stove is out of commission. Overview of key features. 2 burners for versatile cooking. The cooktop features 2 burners, a 1000-watt burner and a 700-watt burner. The 1000-watt burner is perfect for fast cooking tasks like boiling water or frying, while the 700-watt burner is ideal for simmering and keeping food warm. This dual functionality allows you to prepare a complete meal using one compact appliance. Adjustable temperature control. Both burners come with adjustable temperature knobs, allowing you to select the perfect heat level for your cooking needs. Whether you need a high heat for searing or a low temperature for simmering, this cooktop offers precise control. Compact and portable design. The Proctor Silex double burner is designed with portability in mind. Its compact size makes it easy to move around and store, which is perfect for small kitchens, RVs, camping trips, and even for use during home renovations when your main stove might be inaccessible. Compatible with all cookware. Unlike induction cooktops, which require specific types of cookware, the Proctor Silex double burner works with all types of pots and pans, including aluminum, copper, cast iron, and stainless steel. Easy to clean. The burners have hinged coils that can be lifted to access the plates underneath, making cleaning a breeze. Simply wipe down the plates with a damp cloth after each use to keep your cooktop looking new. Safety features. The cooktop includes non-slip rubber feet to ensure stability and prevent sliding during use. The power indicator light lets you know when the cooktop is plugged in and ready to use, adding an extra layer of safety. From boiling water to cooking a full meal, the Proctor Silex electric double burner cooktop excels in performance. The 1000-watt burner heats up quickly, making it ideal for tasks that require high heat, such as boiling pasta or making stir-fries. The 700-watt burner, on the other hand, is perfect for simmering soups, stews, and sauces, or for keeping dishes warm until serving time. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its adjustable temperature control. The dials are easy to use and allow for precise temperature adjustments, giving you full control over your cooking. This feature is particularly useful for recipes that require different cooking temperatures at different stages. The Proctor Silex double burner cooktop is designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. The sleek white and stainless steel finish not only looks great in any kitchen setting, but also complements other kitchen appliances. The overall build quality is robust, with durable materials that are designed to withstand regular use. The compact size of the cooktop, measuring approximately 19.8 by 11.5 by 3.5 inches, makes it easy to store in a cabinet or pantry when not in use. Its lightweight design, weighing just under 6 pounds, ensures that you can easily move it from one location to another, whether you're taking it on a camping trip or moving it around your kitchen. Keeping the Proctor Silex double burner clean is straightforward. Once the cooktop has cooled down, you can lift the hinged coils to access and clean the plates underneath. This design feature makes it easy to wipe away spills and food debris, ensuring that your cooktop remains in top condition. Priced competitively, the Proctor Silex electric double burner cooktop offers excellent value for money. Its dual burners, adjustable temperature controls, and compatibility with all cookware types make it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The convenience of having an extra burner, especially one that heats up quickly and offers precise temperature control, is well worth the investment. Conclusion: the Proctor Silex electric double burner cooktop model 34116 is a reliable, versatile, and portable cooking appliance that meets a wide range of culinary needs. Whether you're cooking in a small kitchen, need an extra burner for a large meal, or require a portable cooking solution for travel, this double burner cooktop delivers impressive performance and convenience. With its fast heating, easy-to-clean design, and compatibility with all cookware, it's an excellent addition to any kitchen setup. If you're looking for a practical and efficient way to expand your cooking capabilities, the Proctor Silex double burner cooktop is a fantastic choice. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.